Hi, I just got a box from Victsing and I'm just going to open it up and show you just how easy this is if you've never had a diffuser before. Okay, here's the box. Probably the hardest part is getting it out of the box. It's really pretty simple. You take your diffuser out. This is really a pretty one. It's a wood tone, which I really like, because as you can tell, we have wood tone stuff in here. So this has got, oh, I don't even have to cut it open. That's even simpler. This has got my cord and a little measuring cup. So I plug my cord in as soon as I can get it to come undone here. I swear the stuff to keep you out is worse than anything. These come from Victsing, which has a lot of great products, and they are Victsing. They have a Facebook, and they're easy to find, and you can go and check out all their neat stuff. They have mouses and keyboards and all kinds of really great stuff, and very good pricing, and they're really good at responding if you need help with something. Like me, I'm doing this cord. Okay, let's see. I gotta plug it in. And again, something else that's not gonna fit. So a quick plug in. Plug in on the bottom. Some water. They suggest you use distilled water or filtered water at least. I use filtered water all the time, and it keeps it cleaner and easier to clean out. A few drops of your favorite essential oil. You can use a combination or just one. I love lavender. It's very soothing, and we always seem to have a lot of stress in the house, so this really helps with the stress. And then I'm on, and if you look, you can already see it coming out just that quickly. Now I've got the fan going, so it's kind of blowing it a little bit, but I can already smell it. So it really only takes seconds to set up, and it's this will run for about 6 hours if it's got a full tank. So it runs for quite a while, and it's very relaxing. This is nice for just for in a room, just to make it smell nice if you want. It can help you with your mood. It can help you with your energy, or you can have this in a room where you're trying to get somebody to settle down, maybe to quiet down to go to sleep, like a little one. Lavender, love lavender. Anyway, I'm Janine, and this is Victsing's new diffuser, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.